Humanity's remarkable ability to adapt is woven into the very fabric of our existence, an unspoken testament to our survival and ingenuity. From the earliest flickers of life emerging on a volatile planet to the sophisticated societies that flourish today, our evolution is marked by an ever-present drive to overcome challenges. This relentless pursuit of survival, innovation, and progress has allowed us to conquer daunting obstacles time and again, shaping a destiny defined by resilience and the capacity to transform hardship into strength. In every hardship, every harsh environment, and every moment of uncertainty, the spark of adaptation has ignited our potential, setting the stage for an epic journey that spans millennia and continues to inspire our future. The story of adaptation begins long before human consciousness emerged, rooted in the ancient struggle for survival that defined early life on Earth. In the primordial chaos, simple organisms confronted extreme conditions, searing heat, crushing pressure, and the relentless forces of nature. Through countless cycles of trial and error, life discovered the secret of genetic variation and natural selection. These early experiments in adaptation laid the groundwork for everything that was to come. As the Earth's atmosphere, climate, and terrain evolved, so too did the living beings that inhabited it. Early hominids, emerging from the crucible of evolution, were no exception. Their journey was marked by gradual changes that would ultimately culminate in the birth of Homo sapiens, a species uniquely equipped with the intellect and creativity necessary to shape destiny. With each evolutionary step, physical and cognitive adaptations intertwined, producing a legacy that is as much a part of our heritage as the ancient fossils that bear silent witness to our origins. The transition from mere survival to active mastery over our environment is etched into the annals of human history. Consider the momentous discovery of fire, a breakthrough that transcended the simple act of combustion to become a cornerstone of civilization. Fire provided warmth in bitter cold, protection from predators, and a means to transform raw food into nourishing sustenance. This pivotal innovation did more than secure survival. It laid the foundations for social interaction and communal progress, uniting people around a shared resource that symbolized hope and progress. As early humans gathered to harness the flickering flames, they embarked on a journey that would propel them out of the wilderness and into the realm of creativity and ingenuity. The mastery over fire was not an isolated event, but rather one of many critical milestones that illustrate how humanity's instinct to adapt has been a driving force throughout our history. Our ancestors did not stop at fire. They embarked on daring migrations across vast and varied landscapes, venturing into uncharted territories that demanded new skills and new ways of living. Whether crossing sprawling deserts, fording mighty rivers, or traversing rugged mountains, these intrepid explorers demonstrated an unparalleled resourcefulness in the face of nature's extremes. In their journeys, they encountered environments that seemed inhospitable at first glance, yet they learned to find sustenance and shelter in even the most desolate of places. This drive to explore and settle in diverse habitats did more than extend the reach of human civilization. It forged a collective identity built on the shared experiences of hardship and triumph. The art of adaptation became a cultural treasure, passed down through generations as both a survival guide and a source of inspiration, reinforcing the notion that the human spirit is unbreakable in the face of adversity. Over centuries, the process of adaptation evolved from physical survival to cultural ingenuity. The invention and refinement of tools, the development of language, and the formation of complex social structures all played a part in empowering humanity to conquer challenges beyond the immediate grasp of nature. Each technological leap, whether it was the creation of a simple stone tool or the establishment of an agricultural revolution, was a testament to the human capacity for innovation under pressure. These milestones were not mere accidents of progress, but rather deliberate steps taken by individuals and communities determined to shape their destiny. By harnessing their collective creativity and pooling their diverse talents, early civilizations built infrastructures and cultural practices that would secure their place in history. The wisdom accumulated over generations became the backbone of societies, turning local survival strategies into shared legacies of progress and perseverance. As the echoes of our ancestors' footsteps resound through time, the continuity of adaptation reveals itself as a profound narrative that unites past and present. The innovations of early humanity, born from the crucible of necessity, set in motion a legacy that would eventually give rise to the modern world. The same indomitable spirit that once lit the first fires and navigated unknown lands now drives us to confront the challenges of a rapidly changing global landscape. Today, as we grapple with unprecedented environmental, social, and technological shifts, the lessons of our evolutionary past remind us that our capacity to adapt is our greatest asset. Each advance in human history, from the discovery of basic survival tools to the development of complex societal structures, has been propelled by a single, enduring truth. The power of adaptation is the secret weapon that has allowed humanity to thrive. Reflecting on the journey that has brought us to this point, it is clear that every chapter of our history is imbued with the spirit of transformation. The ingenuity and resilience that defined our early struggles continue to resonate in every challenge we face today. Our story is not one of passive endurance, but of active engagement with the world, a relentless quest to turn obstacles into opportunities. The dynamic interplay between our natural environment and our creative capabilities has produced a legacy of adaptability that remains as relevant in modern times as it was in the dawn of civilization. In embracing the lessons of the past, we are reminded that every moment of uncertainty is also a moment ripe with the potential for reinvention. Standing on the threshold of a new era, it is impossible not to recognize that our survival is always hinged on the ability to adapt and overcome. The journey from the primordial struggle of early life to the sophisticated feats of modern civilization is a testament to the unyielding spirit of innovation that courses through our veins. As we prepare to face new challenges and venture into unknown realms, the echoes of our evolutionary past serve as both a guiding light and a call to action. In every heart and every mind lies a potential to reshape the future, drawing upon a heritage forged in the crucible of adversity and tempered by the fires of determination. The path we have traveled is a mosaic of countless acts of bravery and brilliance, a continuous narrative of adaptation that has defined who we are and what we can become. Every innovation, every daring expedition, and every collective triumph underscores a simple yet profound truth: the ability to adapt is the essence of humanity. As we move forward, this legacy of resilience will continue to empower us to confront the unforeseen and to transform the challenges of tomorrow into the triumphs of a united human spirit. Humanity's resilience is not only etched in our history, it is living proof of our relentless determination to overcome adversity. Extreme conditions have never deterred those determined to thrive. Instead, they have ignited the innovative drive that defines our species. In the relentless cold of polar regions, the searing heat of vast deserts, the thin air of towering mountains, and the unpredictable forces along coastlines, people have discovered a unique blend of physical endurance and cultural ingenuity that transforms obstacles into opportunities. In the frozen expanses of the Arctic, where temperatures plummet and the landscape is dominated by ice and snow, life demands an intimate understanding of nature's every nuance. Those who have made these regions their home have developed survival strategies that are both elegant and practical. They fashion clothing from animal hides and construct dwellings designed to trap heat and repel biting winds. Every aspect of their daily routine is a lesson in precision and efficiency, where knowledge of migratory patterns, seasonal shifts, and the behavior of ice is crucial. Generations have honed their ability to predict sudden storms and navigate treacherous ice flows, transforming an environment of peril into a realm where human ingenuity reigns. In these conditions, survival is achieved not through brute strength alone, but through a finely tuned synergy of observation, tradition, and innovation. In stark contrast, the barren deserts challenge inhabitants with an entirely different set of demands. In these vast, arid landscapes, water is the most precious resource, and every drop is guarded as a vital lifeline. Desert dwellers have perfected methods of water conservation and resource management that defy the harshness of their surroundings. Through the creation of ingenious irrigation systems and the careful cultivation of scarce vegetation, they have turned what many deem uninhabitable into centers of sustainable life. Their techniques, refined over countless generations, include the use of natural land contours to capture and direct fleeting rain, the construction of shaded dwellings to minimize heat absorption, and the scheduling of daily activities to avoid the peak of the scorching sun. In the face of unyielding heat, their every decision is calibrated for survival, proving that even in the most unforgiving environments, the spirit of adaptation can create a thriving existence. High-altitude regions introduce a further layer of complexity. In the towering mountains where oxygen is scarce and the air itself is a challenge, communities have evolved both physically and culturally to meet the demands of their environment. Over generations, people living in these regions have developed remarkable physiological traits that enable them to make the most of every precious breath. This genetic adaptation is complemented by a lifestyle that embraces the rugged terrain through innovative agricultural practices, carefully constructed terrace fields, and communal resource sharing. Here, isolation has fostered an unparalleled sense of unity. Neighbors rely on each other for survival, sharing knowledge about weather patterns, medicinal herbs, and techniques to mitigate the effects of altitude. The challenges of thin air and steep slopes are met with an equally steep determination to persevere, a determination that transforms physical limitations into a testament of human adaptability. Along the coast, where the power of the ocean constantly reshapes the land, communities face a unique interplay of opportunity and danger. The sea is both a generous provider and a relentless adversary, with its unpredictable storms, shifting tides, and formidable currents. Those who live by the water have developed a profound understanding of the ocean's rhythms. They craft boats that can withstand violent tempests, design fishing methods that balance sustainability with necessity, and construct homes that stand resilient against relentless coastal erosion. Their life is a continuous negotiation with nature, a series of adaptations that blend ancient wisdom with practical experience. Every day, they harness the bounty of the sea while respecting its formidable might, a balance that exemplifies a dynamic and ongoing process of adaptation. Beyond the physical adaptations required by extreme climates, the psychological and social dimensions of surviving harsh environments are equally significant. The mental resilience required to face such adversity is a quiet strength that underpins every physical innovation. In the solitude of a frozen tundra or the endless expanse of a desert, individuals learn to trust their instincts and rely on the lessons passed down through generations. This inner fortitude, forged in the crucible of hardship, is as essential as any physical resource. It is a quiet confidence that allows one to face uncertainty without faltering, to see challenges as opportunity for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. In these extreme settings, social cohesion emerges as a critical factor. Communities do not merely survive. They thrive by pooling collective wisdom and resources. In the shared hardships of an unforgiving climate, bonds are formed that transcend individual struggles. Every survival strategy, whether it is a communal hunting in the icy wilderness or the coordinated effort to distribute water in the desert, reinforces the truth that no one can master such challenges alone. The cultural practices developed in these environments are steeped in the value of unity and mutual support, turning isolated experiences into a shared narrative of endurance and triumph. This deep sense of community not only eases the burden of isolation, but also provides a platform for the continuous evolution of innovative solutions, as individuals learn from one another and build on collective experiences. The practical techniques and deep-rooted knowledge amassed in these environments are not static relics of the past. They are living strategies that continue to evolve. They embody the essence of adaptation, a process that is as much about cultural transmission and community spirit as is about individual survival skills. In every Arctic shelter, every desert irrigation system, every mountain terrace, and every coastal structure, there lies a testament to human ingenuity and the unwavering drive to transform adversity into strength. As the modern world grapples with challenges that, while different in form, are no less daunting than those of the past, the lessons drawn from these extreme environments offer a powerful blueprint for resilience. The precision of Arctic survival techniques, the resourcefulness of desert innovations, the communal strength of high-altitude communities, and the balanced strategies of coastal living serve as enduring examples of how humanity can adapt to the most daunting circumstances. These time-tested methods are a reminder that our greatest asset in the face of any challenge is not merely our technological prowess, but our ability to learn from nature, to innovate in the crucible of adversity, and to unite as a community. Today, as the challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and rapid technological change confront us, the strategies honed in nature's harshest laboratories offer valuable insights. They teach us that resilience is built on a foundation of continuous learning, that every setback contains the seeds of future innovation, and that the power of adaptation lies in the collective spirit of a people determined to overcome. The legacy of those who have thrived in extreme conditions is not confined to history. It lives on in every creative solution, every act of perseverance, and every communal effort to build a better, more resilient future. In the enduring face of extreme environments, humanity has proven that adversity is not a barrier, but a catalyst for transformation. Each innovative response to nature's fiercest challenges serves as a powerful reminder that the capacity to adapt is the core of our identity. As we move forward into an uncertain future, these lessons remain a beacon of hope and a call to action, a call to harness our collective ingenuity and transform every challenge into an opportunity for growth and renewal. In today's rapidly evolving world, modern adaptation has emerged as a defining hallmark of human progress. Every day, breakthroughs in science and technology reveal new ways in which we can overcome challenges and shape our future. The spirit of innovation runs deep in our collective consciousness, driving us to solve problems with unprecedented creativity and efficiency. Unlike the slower, more instinctual adaptations of our early ancestors, modern adaptation is deliberate, calculated, and powered by advanced knowledge and technology. As we face global challenges, from climate change and resource scarcity to health crises and interplanetary exploration, we are compelled to harness our ingenuity and reinvent our way of life. This fresh chapter of human evolution is marked by an unyielding determination to turn obstacles into opportunities, demonstrating that adaptation is not only a survival mechanism, but a pathway to a brighter, more sustainable future. Our journey forward is a testament to the power of human resilience and the relentless pursuit of progress. Across the spectrum of human achievement, technological breakthroughs stand as pillars of our modern adaptation. Space exploration now represents not merely a venture into the unknown, but a bold assertion of our desire to expand the boundaries of existence. Engineers and scientists collaborate on projects that take us from our blue planet to distant celestial bodies, developing spacecraft capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of outer space. These efforts are underpinned by rigorous research and a spirit of discovery that pushes the envelope of what is possible. Simultaneously, our approach to combating climate change has evolved through innovative environmental engineering. New technologies harness renewable energy sources, solar, wind, and geothermal power, to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the impacts of a warming planet. Engineers design systems that capture and store energy, optimize water usage, and restore damaged ecosystems, all of which exemplify how human creativity can transform environmental challenges into sustainable solutions. In the realm of medicine, breakthroughs in biotechnology are rewriting the narrative of health and survival. From rapid vaccine development to personalized genetic therapies, scientific advancements are curing diseases that once decimated populations. These innovations not only extend life expectancy, but also improve quality of life, making healthcare more precise and effective. Moreover, the digital revolution has catalyzed a global transformation. The proliferation of high-speed internet, artificial intelligence, and interconnected devices has created a dynamic information network that empowers individuals and fosters innovation on an unprecedented scale. Smart algorithms analyze vast datasets to predict trends and solve complex problems, while digital platforms facilitate collaboration across continents. Together, these technological and scientific endeavors illustrate that modern adaptation is a multifaceted process, one that is as reliant on cutting-edge technology as it is on the timeless human drive to explore, innovate, and create a better world. These dynamic efforts in space, environment, medicine, and digital realms illustrate not only our capacity to adapt, but also our drive to push beyond known limits. Every breakthrough challenges conventional wisdom, turning scientific theories into practical applications that enhance our everyday lives and ensure that progress remains a constant in the human story. In times of crisis, the strength of human ingenuity is most vividly revealed. Across continents and cultures, individuals and communities have harnessed the power of innovation to navigate challenges with bold, decisive action. When natural disasters strike or unforeseen crises emerge, rapid, creative solutions arise from the collective effort of people determined to preserve life and rebuild what has been lost. Ingenious minds repurpose everyday objects into critical tools, develop communication networks in the absence of established infrastructure, and mobilize resources with an efficiency that belies the urgency of their circumstances. This spirit of resilience is not confined to any one era or region. It is a universal trait that defines us as a species. In the face of overwhelming adversity, human creativity flourishes, forging new paths where none seem possible. The synergy between individual determination and collaborative effort has given birth to groundbreaking innovations that have reshaped societies and redefined what is achievable. These inspiring examples serve as powerful reminders that our greatest asset is not technology alone, but the ingenuity of the human mind. Every inventive solution, born from a moment of crisis, reinforces a belief that adversity is a catalyst for progress. As challenges continue to evolve, so too does our capacity for innovation, ensuring that the legacy of resilience endures and propels us toward a future where no obstacle is insurmountable. In countless instances, adversity has sparked a surge of creativity that transcends conventional boundaries. These instances of rapid innovation are not isolated. They form a continuous narrative of progress, underscoring the inherent ability of humanity to transform setbacks into stepping stones. Each challenge met with inventive solutions reaffirms that the true measure of our strength lies in our capacity to reinvent ourselves and to drive forward with purpose and determination. Innovation remains our steadfast beacon. Looking ahead, the horizon of human potential is boundless. Our future is defined by the fusion of relentless innovation and the courage to venture into uncharted territories. The challenges that lie before us, whether in outer space, on our warming planet, or within the realms of digital transformation, serve as catalysts for further breakthroughs. With every new discovery, we expand the frontier of what is possible and reinforce the truth that adaptation is an ongoing process. Each step forward is a collective triumph that echoes the enduring spirit of our ancestors and lights the way for future generations. As we harness emerging technologies and reimagine our strategies, we build a legacy that is both progressive and resilient. The call for innovation is not confined to laboratories or boardrooms. It resonates in every act of creativity and every bold decision made in the face of uncertainty. Our journey continues, driven by a shared commitment to transform challenges into opportunities and to build a future that stands as a testament to the unstoppable force of human ingenuity. This vision, clear and unwavering, inspires us to continuously redefine our limits and embrace progress. Throughout our long journey as a species, the legacy of adaptation has been our guiding force, a relentless drive that transforms every challenge into an opportunity for growth. Our history is filled with moments when the spark of ingenuity and the determination to survive reshaped our destiny, proving that no obstacle is insurmountable. The very essence of our identity lies in our ability to evolve in response to adversity. Today, that same spirit of resilience not only unites us, but also propels us into a future brimming with promise. This enduring legacy is not just a record of past victories. It pulses in every facet of our daily lives. It is visible in the inventions that streamline our routines, in the resilience that helps communities rebuild after calamity, and in the quiet determination of individuals who rise above personal challenges. Each innovation and every act of courage is a chapter in our collective story, a story that testifies to our capacity to turn hardship into strength. When faced with the unknown, we do not falter. We adapt, learn, and move forward with renewed resolve. The trials of our past have imparted a profound lesson. Every setback harbors the seed of a breakthrough. Hardships, rather than being barriers, serve as catalysts that spur us to explore new paths. The process of adaptation is both an individual quest and a collective journey, one that demands personal resolve as well as communal solidarity. Our ancestors, confronting the relentless forces of nature, honed survival strategies that were passed down through generations, eventually forming the bedrock of modern society. Today, as we navigate a world of rapid change and unforeseen challenges, those same lessons remind us that our potential for reinvention is boundless. Looking forward, the future beckons with challenges that are as diverse as they are daunting. The quest to explore distant worlds, to confront environmental crises, and to master the digital revolution all call for the same adaptive spirit that has driven us since time immemorial. Each new challenge offers an invitation to innovate, to push the limits of what is possible, and to craft solutions that not only address immediate problems, but also lay the groundwork for a sustainable future. It is a future where every obstacle is met with a strategic, deliberate response, a future where our ability to adapt remains our most valuable asset. There's a distinct clarity in realizing that the challenges ahead are opportunities in disguise. The unpredictability of tomorrow is not a reason for despair, but call to harness the ingenuity that defines us. Our collective history is a testament to the power of unity in the face of adversity. The struggles that once seemed insurmountable have given rise to breakthroughs that have forever altered the course of human progress. This legacy of resilience is a continuous thread that links every triumph of the past with every challenge of the present, weaving a tapestry that speaks to the indomitable nature of the human spirit. In acknowledging this legacy, we embrace the truth that every experience, no matter how harsh, is a stepping stone to a brighter future. The capacity to transform difficulty into innovation is embedded within us all. It is a strength that has seen us through the darkest of times and continues to fuel our ambitions. The determination that enabled early humans to tame fire, to cross vast and uncharted landscapes, and to build thriving communities in inhospitable regions now inspires us to tackle modern crises with equal fervor. It is this unwavering commitment to adapt and overcome that forms the foundation of our progress. As we stand on the threshold of new frontiers, the lessons of the past merge seamlessly with the aspirations of the future. Our capacity for adaptation is not an inherited trait of survival alone. It is a dynamic process that fuels creativity, drives innovation, and nurtures hope. In every act of reinvention, we assert our belief that challenges are temporary hurdles, not definitive endpoints. Every setback is an impetus for renewed effort, a chance to harness our collective talents and to steer our course toward unprecedented heights. The journey ahead is paved with possibilities that extend far beyond our current horizons. The challenges we face today, whether they be environmental, technological, or societal, are opportunities to test our resolve and to refine our strategies. Each innovation in renewable energy, each advancement in medicine, and each breakthrough in digital connectivity is a tribute to the enduring power of adaptation. These achievements are not isolated victories. They are part of a continuum that celebrates our ability to learn, evolve, and thrive in the face of adversity. In embracing the future, we also acknowledge the immense responsibility that comes with this legacy. The commitment to adaptation is a call to every individual to contribute to the collective progress of humanity. It is a call to invest in knowledge, to foster collaboration, and to build bridges between diverse communities. This shared commitment is what transforms isolated efforts into a global movement, a movement that recognizes that every person has the power to influence change and to create a ripple effect that can redefine our world. There is an undeniable strength in knowing that our shared history is built on a foundation of resilience and determination. It is a reminder that no matter how formidable challenges may appear, the human spirit is equipped with the tools to overcome. The legacy of adaptation is a living force, a beacon that guides us as we navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world. It is both a reminder of what we have accomplished and a promise of what we are capable of achieving when we harness our collective ingenuity. As we look toward tomorrow, the road ahead is illuminated by the combined efforts of countless generations. Each step we take is a testament to our enduring capacity to adapt and to create a future that is as vibrant as it is sustainable. In every innovation and every act of courage, we honor the legacy of our ancestors and pave the way for those who will inherit our world. The story of humanity is one of perpetual renewal, where every challenge met is a victory for the spirit of adaptation, and every obstacle overcome is a milestone in our ongoing journey toward greatness. Let this legacy be a constant reminder. Our ability to adapt is not a relic of the past, but the heartbeat of our future. It fuels our drive to explore, to innovate, and to redefine what is possible. In every challenge, we see a mirror reflecting the strength and potential within us all, a strength that has carried us through centuries of struggle and that will continue to inspire us as we forge ahead into an unknown yet hopeful tomorrow.